Good evening, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am your chemistry mentor. We are at States of Matter NEET and JEE syllabus of 11th standard. We discussed up to 21 lectures. We completed what 21 lectures. Now we are at what 22 lecture. Lecture number 22. That is Maxwell's distribution of speeds. Maxwell what distribution of speeds or molecular Maxwell distribution of molecular velocities. Molecular velocities or Maxwell distribution of speeds. Let we consider. That means what Maxwell did so many experiments upon the speeds of the molecules, and he gave what his observations in the means of what graphs. From that graph we can what understood what different concepts. Now let we discuss what those concepts. So now let we enter into lecture. Maxwell distribution of molecular velocities or Maxwell distribution curves of molecular velocities. So we have what it has already been pointed, that is it has already been pointed out that a gas is a collection of what tiny particles in KMT, kinetic molecular theory. We discussed that every gas has very large number of tiny particles. They are called as what gas molecules. They are called as gas molecules. And these gas molecules always travels in what random in motion. That means what they are always travels in all possible directions in a random motion. And different gas molecules are travels with what different speeds. Different gas molecules are travels with what different speeds. No two gas molecules have what same velocity. Different gas molecules are have what travels with different velocities. When they are collides with other gas molecules, and as well as what with walls of the container, what will happen in every collision? Speed is changed, and as well as what direction is changed. In every collision what will happen, speed changed and what direction is changed. Speed and direction is what changed. Speed and direction is changed. And it is not possible to find the speed of each individual molecule. So it is very difficult task in order to find out the what speed of each individual molecules. So such that we consider what probability considerations in order to find out the what molecular speeds. So upon this Maxwell and Boltzmann, Maxwell and what Boltzmann did so many experiments. And upon these molecular velocities or distribution of molecular speeds of the different gases, and they gave their what observations in the form of graphs. What is this point? Maxwell and Boltzmann did so many experiments, and what so the results of those what experiments they gave in the form of what graphs. Now what the graphs which were given by Maxwell and Boltzmann are, now let me what plot. So they took what fraction of molecules. This is the what fraction of molecules. Fraction of what molecules, dn by n. So this is the what speed. That means what upon x-axis speed and upon y-axis, so fraction of molecules, nothing but number of molecules. Let we consider in a simple way. When they what plotted, they got what this type of curve. This type of curve means what they got only sum of the fraction of molecules, having what that means what these fraction of molecules, these many fraction of molecules have this velocity. This velocity is called as what maximum probable velocity. More number of molecules have what this velocity, which this is called as what maximum probable velocity. And the next what beside velocity is considered as what average velocity. Next velocity is considered as what RMS velocity. Now if the same graph, if the what temperature is raised, here what fraction of molecules and what speed on x-axis speed. So whenever we are considered or when we increase the what temperature, so this is the what at the what low temperature range, and what if the temperature is increased, it we will get what this type of graph. This is at what T1 temperature, this is at what T2 temperature, T2 is greater than T1, T2 is greater than T1. So this type of what these type of graphs he got. If the what he went, and they also gave what another graph also with what different what molecular weights. So this is the what fraction of molecules, and what this is what speed, this is what speed. So now what will happen when they plot what dn by n versus speed, so they got what this type of graphs, these type of what graphs. This is the what molecular weight m1, this is molecular weight m2. So here what m1 is that means what m1 is greater than what m2, m1 is what greater than m2, m1 is means molecular weight of this one is more than that of what this one. These type of what graphs they got. So directly they gave what this these graphs, and what from these graphs what we can understood, that is the important concept. What we got, which type of information we got from these graphs. Now let me consider. So from this the fraction of molecules with zero velocity, the fraction of molecules with zero velocity are how many? The fraction of molecules with what zero velocity, with zero velocity are what zero. No one molecule has what zero velocity. No one gas molecule is present in what stationary mode, stationary mode. Next one, the minimum and maximum velocities, the minimum speeds and the maximum speeds containing molecules are minimum. Okay na? The minimum and what maximum velocity containing molecules, minimum velocity, maximum velocity containing molecules are what less. So V maximum and what V minimum containing what molecules are what less. V minimum and V maximum molecules are what less. Next one, as the fraction of molecules are increases and reached what a maximum value, that means what as the speed is increases, as speed is increases, that speed containing fraction of molecules are increases and reaches a maximum value, and then what it will decreases with increasing of velocity. This is what decreases with increasing of what velocity. This increases fraction of molecules is decreases with increasing of velocity. The fraction of molecules which has what that means what the velocity or the speed which is contained by maximum number of fraction of molecules, that is called as what, that is called as what maximum probable velocity. What it is called? Maximum probable velocity. And what here what different molecular velocities we consider. In these different molecular velocities, u maximum probable velocity or maximum probable speed is what less than that of what average speed, which is less than that of what RMS speed. So these are the what molecular velocities. As the temperature is increased, what will happen? The maximum is shifts towards more velocities. As the what t is what increases, maximum is shifts towards what more velocities, maximum is shifts towards more velocities, and it gets flattened. Sharp here, what it is very sharp, here it is what very sharp, and when the temperature is increased, it gets flattened, flattened. If the molecular weight is what increases, if the molecular weight is increases, what will happen? If the molecular weight is what increases, means what this side, this one is more molecular weight is increases, what will happen? The curve gets sharpened and it is shifts towards what lower velocities. As the temperature is increased, shifts towards what higher velocities. As the what molecular weight is increased, so that is the fraction of molecules, maximum probable velocity fraction of molecules shifts towards what? So less velocities, shifts towards what less velocities. So these are the what different kinds of what molecular velocities. Molecular velocities are Maxwell distribution curves. From this Maxwell distribution curves, zero velocity containing molecules are zero, maximum velocity containing molecules are minimum, minimum velocity containing molecules are what minimum. As the what velocity or speed is increases, that speed containing fraction of molecules are increases and reaches a maximum value, and then it will decreases. If the temperature is increased, the maximum is shifts towards what more velocities at right side, and it is gets flattened. If the molecular weight is increased, molecular weight is increased, molecular weight is increased, what will happen? The curve gets sharpened and it shifts towards what? Lower speeds or lower velocities. These are the what points we got from where? Maxwell distribution curves. Maxwell and Boltzmann distribution curves are also called. Okay, right, this is our what lecture which is related to Maxwell distribution curves of molecular velocities or molecular speeds. Okay, right, good night children.